Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Moses Adeyemi. So I'll be taking you through how you can split your screen into three different parts. Either you are using portrait or you are using landscape. I mean 16 by 9 and 9 by 16. So just watch till the end and see how you can you can split your screen into different parts, either 3, 4, 9, depending on what you wanted to achieve. So just watch till the end and see how I split the screen into three different parts. So once you select your clips, so just make sure that either you are using 4 clips, either you are using 10 clips, and you wanted to split them into different parts. Make sure that all the clips are of the same time, in the sense that either you are using 5 seconds, 3 seconds, 7 seconds, as long as you want, but make sure that all the clips you wanted to split are in the same duration. So just make sure you align all the clips to the same duration, and after then you will start to set this. So once you are done with the alignment, so just go to original and select the frame you want it, either on 16 by 9 or 9 by 16, and I choose 9 by 16 so that I can align it into different screens. So just watch till the end and see how the end product will be. So I'm done with the portrait, so I'll be going to the landscape. So you repeat the same process. You click on the new project and you select all your clips which you wanted to use on the timeline. So you just keep selecting, and I just want to go with 3 clips. So once you have selected your clips, so I'm using 16 by 9, so I'll select that so that I'll be able to align all the clips into the same duration. Then I'll place the clips over each other, and then I will size it so that the black stuff will not show on the screen. So please watch to the end and see the final product of it.